You spend hours vetting high-quality sources for your students, but the moment you put a wall of text on a screen, they disengage. You can bridge that gap by using NotebookLM to distill your exact curriculum into a structured, ready-to-teach presentation. All you need is a Google account and the PDFs or docs you've already planned for next week's lesson. This workflow allows you to reclaim hours of manual outlining while ensuring every slide remains strictly tied to your approved teaching materials. Start by creating a new notebook. This serves as the specific environment for your upcoming unit. Upload your lesson materials here. NotebookLM accepts textbook PDFs, rough Google Docs, or direct web links to articles. Methodical. This creates a closed-loop system called grounding. Unlike a typical AI chatbot, NotebookLM is physically restricted to these documents. Because it cannot pull facts from the open internet, a hard boundary prevents the software from introducing outside misinformation into your lesson. This means if your sources are vetted and high quality, the resulting presentation will be grounded in those same facts. Before you move toward a final presentation, use the chat box to synthesize your sources into a clear instructional plan. Ask the AI to extract the 3 big ideas from your materials and identify the 2 most likely student misconceptions. To verify the response, click the citations. Each one links directly back to the original text, so you can check the AI's work instantly. Once the research is verified, instruct the chat to organize this information into a structured outline for an educational slide deck. The software processes your text-based concepts into a logical sequence of headers and bullet points that are formatted for presentation. Organizing your content this way ensures your final slides focus on the most important instructional goals, rather than just listing facts in order. Standard AI outputs can feel cold or overly formal for a classroom setting. You can change the tone by using specific style prompts. For example, you can take the AI's structured text and apply it to a deep green Blackboard theme with a handwritten chalkboard aesthetic. You can also upload your school district style guide as a source to help you match official colors and formatting. Once your content is ready, use the notebook guide buttons to instantly generate customized flashcards, create immediate assessment quizzes, and build a 15-minute study routine. Finish with an exit ticket based on the same materials. By generating your slides, quizzes, and study guides from the same source pool, you create a perfectly aligned curriculum where every resource reinforces the next. In just a few minutes, you've turned a dense PDF into a structured presentation and a complete set of supporting study materials. You can share this notebook with a co-teacher to collaborate on the unit in real time. When you're ready to teach, export your generated resources into Google Classroom or Canvas for your students to access. Open NotebookLM today, upload your next lesson, and see how much time you can save on your weekend prep.